Welcome guys, we will examine a few amazing cool gadgets. We have compiled a list of some of the most fantastic new tech gadgets accessible on the market. Through extensive research and testing, based on their price and their design. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn everything about cool tech gadgets, you should watch it to the end of the video. So let's check the interesting gadgets. Soap Flakes Machine. Health. One of the most important events today. Of course. Our hands are the most important place we need to pay attention to cleanliness. We touch thousands of places during the day. That's why we need to constantly clean our hands. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people around the world. And we don't have a definitive solution right now. This machine shreds bar soap for you before you wash your hands. One by one, delicate soap flakes fall directly into your hand from the soap dispenser. And make washing your hands a new experience. No more slippery soap. And no more liquid soaps, which have ecological disadvantages compared to block soaps. Due to more packaging volume and material, unnecessary transport of water. But pure, new, light pleasure. This product, which also attracts attention with its stylish design, can make your home look more modern. Soap Flakes turns a very special bar of soap into the finest flakes that, combined with water, create a new and pleasant washing experience. You can also make soap yourself at home. And you can use the soap you make comfortably and cleanly with this product. I think this product should be available in every home. And now let's check Pum Picks. A wearable companion against germs. A wearable and portable gadget with a liquid sanitizing dispenser to maintain cleanliness all day. We are all connected. Never has that been more apparent than now. Even when we're separate, we're together in our efforts. Because of the current pandemic, we now have a greater responsibility to protect each other. Infectious diseases have shaped human history and remain with us today, continuing to burden populations worldwide and threaten the global economy. Older adults and vulnerable populations are especially at risk, as I said above. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people in the world. And yet, we have no clear-cut solution at the moment. In a time of complexity and confusion, sanitation should be simple. Sanitation 101 involves clean hands. A sanitation spritzer, Pum Picks, has the appearance of a sleek wristband. Aside from its comfortable, lightweight wearability, this product is affordable and simple to use on your hands, as well as commonly touched surfaces both in public and at home. After you fill up the gadget's inner chamber, Pum Picks is good for more than 100 pumps. After touching the elevator button, a grimy door handle at the supermarket, or your phone's touch screen, clean those nasty germs with Pum Picks. Sometimes you don't have access to water and soap, or you just don't feel like going to the bathroom again and again and again. That's alright. Hand sanitizer does the job too. However, remembering to carry it sometimes presents an additional unwanted hassle. This is where Pum Picks comes in. You can buy this amazing product for just $30 from Kickstarter.com. I think I'm thinking of buying one too. Let's take a look at the other product. Last gadget is personal wearable hand sanitizer in this video. You will really like this gadget. Eco-friendly, minimalistic and easy to use. Created for convenience with a push of a button. Reinvented for everyday use. Small, convenient and easily accessible. COVID-19 makes personal hand sanitizer another essential personal accessory for yours and others' health and safety. We recognize the need for protection but also the need to keep your personals from being a burden. Go.C Sanitizer is designed to keep your health in mind while not weighing you down. The Go.C Sanitizer is a new contraption that allows you to hang your hand sanitizer directly at your belt line. Within the Go.C Sanitizer container, you'll find a refillable tank of sanitizer that connects to a spraying device. Keep your Go.C within reach. Attach Go.C to your belt, pocket, or bag. For fast and efficient hygiene and protection. When you press the silicone button with your thumb, the Go.C Sanitizer will spray the optimal amount of sanitizer right into your palm. thereby letting you distribute sanitizer in an easy and efficient way while still avoiding any possibility of contamination.